Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you can't find a game that you want to download in Google Play Store on Samsung Galaxy A14. And to do this, let's open our Google Play Store and actually try to find some games like Call of Duty Mobile. As you can see, there's no results, but there's one, but we can't even click on it. The same is with Diablo Immortal. And also most of the games on this device. And to fix the issue, we'll need to go back, click on the profile picture, head on to the settings, enter family. Here, go for parental controls, and now we can either disable it entirely or select apps and games, enter the PIN code, click on OK, then increase PG to at least 16 or 18. Make sure to save the settings afterwards, and now if you go back, we can actually find any game that we like. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.